I'm signing up next year to go from now. So from parties that are gone to parties coming up, here's the Intense party listing.
Last Flex, the Hawaiian edition is happening Sunday, April 9th. That's next Sunday at the GW Car Park.
Nice. So what's admission like?
Admission is $500 pre-sold, $800 at the gate, $1,500 VIP.
Okay. So what is going to make Last Flex intense?
Well, we have the Young Jenna Massacre live. We have the Fatty Boss, Stylex. Also, juggling the music myself.
Well, Tribal Luminati Fest is happening next Saturday, April 8th at the Mona Hockey Field. Admission is $1,000 pre-sold, $1,500 at the gate. It will be an amalgamation of food, music, fashion, and art.
Beautiful.
It's just something entirely different that Jamaica has never seen before.
Party intensely, but please drink responsibly. Don't let your friends drink and drive. Up next, Bacchanal 241, Intense Super.